Good morning, everybody. This is Hot Girl Skye. I just had the Max CO2 laser resurfacing procedure done with Dr. Jochen, the best, yesterday. And this is the first day post-procedure. And I want to start documenting and literally go over step by step all the products and steps that I'm going to be doing and using for my skin to heal faster, to protect it, and everything that you're going to need that will just help you along this journey. So make you feel more comfortable, speed up the healing process, make sure that your skin barrier is protective. And that, of course, I'm talking about your best friend, the #1 post-procedure recovery kit that you're going to need to help you get through this for any laser, and or if you just have sensitive skin, hypoallergenic, if there's something going on with your skin, to have these products at home, regardless if you did a laser, I 100% recommend. But this is going to be the Avene SOS kit. Okay, so this is the post-procedure recovery kit. As you can see, I have dead, build-up, dry skin that's on there. I am obviously red and puffy, okay? You know, looking a little hot girl mess, but I love how swollen my lips are, okay? Those look really, really good. Wish I would stay like that. But I definitely am excited to do the cleansing lotion, which is gonna be my first step right here. This cleansing lotion is amazing. You do not need water for it, okay? You're going to very light-handed put it all over your face, you know, light circular motions, okay? Everywhere. So I don't want to just do one wipe. I want to be saturated with this cleansing lotion. You can kind of almost feel it's saturated enough to where you're actually going to get a good wipe and a good cleanse. I wanted to pick up that dead skin, and just applying it once onto the skin isn't going to do that. So areas that I can kind of feel, for lack of a better word, is like a little crusty, or a little dried up, where there's a lot of buildup of that skin, or areas that are really bothering me, like my eyes. I'm just going to be very gentle and just really make sure that the lotion is picking up and absorbing into that area. Now I am going to rinse my hands off. Okay, so I have my super soft Kleenex. I don't even know if you can see me right now, but I'm just going to start with the eyes, and I'm just gonna very, very gently start to wipe some of this off. Okay, just kind of going along, using the lotion's moisture to help me glide across the skin. But obviously I want to see first. But I'm just going to take my time. Oh, it already feels so much better. I just feel like I got so much buildup and gunk off. Again, I'm trying to be really, really careful. Okay, that's probably enough wiping right there, because you're gonna do this, you're gonna cleanse again later, okay, tonight. So I'm gonna try not to go overboard right now. So I just got the cleansing lotion off from Avene, and was very gentle, and actually feel a lot better. I really, really do. Next, I'm just going to be doing a little side step that Contour Dermatology does give in their aftercare instructions. So it is distilled white vinegar, half of that and half of warm water. The best thing to do if you have a clean spray bottle, is to take that mixture and put it into a spray bottle, and then we're going to spray it onto the face. This helps bacteria and yeast from building up or growing onto the skin. Okay, if you do not have a spray bottle, you can still do this mixture. Again, white distilled vinegar and warm water, half and half, into a bowl, and then of course use, you know, a very, very soft applicator to then dab onto the skin. Very soft washcloth. If you're going to be using a washcloth, I know that a lot of them can be kind of rough, so just be very careful and just kind of dab it. I also have a fan over here to my left that's ready to go for any type of stinging that happens, and I can run it over there and put my face in front of the fan. Okay, so I just applied the white distilled vinegar and water, half and half, into a spray bottle, and I just sprayed my face. I did have to go sit in front of the fan. That really helped the stinging subside. And instead of using my spring water right now, I'm actually going to now apply the #1 favorite product from Avene as well, from the kit. This is going to be your cream, your cyclophate cream, which is the restorative protective cream. Okay, so this one, love. Always going to have it on. Yes, it may make you look a little white at first, okay, but as you've probably already noticed with your skin, with it being in this type of healing state, or kind of burned state, if you will, it will kind of make it melt, and then it becomes transparent. But this is something that you can always apply, just like your Aquaphor, okay, because you always want your skin to be very moist and hydrated and wet the entire time. So this, along with your Aquaphor, are going to be a continuous basis, okay? And, you know, again, this doesn't just have to be used after a laser treatment, okay, or a dermatological treatment. Any hypoallergenic, any hypersensitivity, any irritation going on with your skin. Oh, so nice. This can be used. The whole line can be used. And I do not work for Avene, okay? I just know good products, and I know it works, and I want to share the loveliness with you. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to be using is the Avene Thermal Spring Water Spray. This is hands down the best. Okay, so it can be used for more than one thing. Irritated skin, rash, after shaving, after laser hair treatment, diaper rash, makeup removal. I can use it as my toner after I cleanse my face. And just for all of you hyaluronic acid users, which you should be using if you're not, I use Skin Medica HA5. It is the best. Hyaluronic acid is hydration. It's going to grab the moisture and bind it and hold it into the skin. What I do as a little tip or a trick to actually add additional hydration is I will spray this again, okay, before I put my hyaluronic acid on, okay, and then I put my hyaluronic acid on, really mix it in there well, okay, and then of course I will end with my moisturizer. What this does is it actually will add additional hydration and not take the moisture or hydration that's already there from my skin, and this will actually help with that. So I want my face to be sprayed again before I use my HA5, and then I will end with my moisturizer. But having said that, this can be in your purse. It comes in multiple different sizes. You can buy it individually. You can spray it anytime throughout the day. I'm going to have it next to me at all times. Same thing with that restorative cream, okay? I'm going to have my thermal spring water. And this is amazing. After workouts, sweating, any time, any day, for anything, you can have this and spray it. It's not just for one purpose, okay? So super awesome. I'm gonna spray my face. Oh my God, instant relief. It's so soothing, so calming. Oh, yes, I'm going overboard because I love it. It is so amazing. Oh my God. So this is gonna calm and soothe your skin, and it absolutely instantly does that. I absolutely love this stuff. Oh my God, that's so nice. So nice. So if you want, you can kind of fan it. I obviously love it so much that I am now dripping wet, and I don't care. It feels so good. So I'm gonna fan it, let it soak in just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to end with my Aqua 4. Okay, and again, Aqua 4, along with the Cyclofate restorative cream, you're going to be having these 3 items next to you and be using throughout the day, because again, you don't want your skin to ever become dry. You want a continuous moist skin. I love that word, so I'm going to continue to use the word moist. Okay, and you're going to keep applying these things. So I hope that was well informed for you and informative for day 1. I will be repeating these steps for tonight. Okay, thank you, love you, and I will talk to you and see you soon. Bye.